Dr. J. You're going to be hearing from Mr. Top Step in a second. Mr. Top Step is called Top Step because the very top ring of that pit, that's where the biggest traders stand. You want to know what they're doing, you got to watch Mr. Top Step.
The big thing today is that everybody's looking for the Dow 10,000. We don't care about the Dow 10,000. We're only within a couple of points of that, and it's a non-entity as far as we're concerned. What we're really looking at here is the big gap that's been in the S&P that we've now entered into that goes all the way up to 1102, and the top of that gap goes to 1108. What's going on here is that the market opened up higher. We had big Globex volume. We had a little pullback, and now the markets are starting to move back up again. The real deal here is it's super quiet. What we think is going to happen is the little sell-off that occurred this morning after the opening range and down here we'll start over. After the little sell-off this morning, the market bounced back up, and now we've leveled off. And what we think is going to happen is we'll get more of these little sell-offs that will get people short into the afternoon, and then we'll come back up and make a new high later in the afternoon. Our levels that we're looking at this afternoon are up toward the 1085 to 1090 level. These are levels that we've been talking about for weeks. As my partner Jason said yesterday, you know what happens is the market will go up to approach a level, and it looks like it's a breakthrough, but you know what, there's just not enough buy stops above those levels to push the market up through. We think we've gotten to that point now where the market can push itself up through. As far as the rest of the day goes, we think it's going to be quiet. As you can see, the level of trade here in the S&P has really dropped off significantly. And the other thing is what we're looking at is the S&P cash statistics for the October expiration. They were very strong on Monday. They were a little weak on Tuesday, but they go up all week for the rest of the week. You know, so the way we see this, we don't want to fight this thing if it's going up. It's too thin. It's too hard to fight. Buy the weakness. Buy the 10 to handle pullbacks in the S&P. We're going up above 11.